Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove icons from Facebook apps shortcuts. So if you discover that you have so many Facebook app shortcuts here, and now you want to remove any of them, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to remove icons in shortcut bar on your Facebook account, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Facebook application. Click on the Facebook menu at the top or at the bottom right, depending on your device. Now scroll down, locate and click on Settings and Privacy. Once you select Settings and Privacy, click on Settings. Then you'll be taken to the Settings and Privacy page. Scroll down the page, locate and click on Tab Bar under Preferences. Now once you click on that, click on Customize the bar. Now to remove any of these icons, come to where you see Tab Bar or Available. Click on the one you want to hide or remove and click on Hide. So if you want to hide the groups, click on it and then select Hide. Then you should see all of them move to Hidden. If you want to hide profile or notifications, just come here and select whatever you want to hide here. And then you should see the profile removed. You see that? So just click on Auto or Pin here to remove whatever icons you want to remove on the shortcut bar here. So that is basically how to remove icons in shortcut bar on Facebook. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.